Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to quickly copy a full following list using Circleboom Twitter and turn it into actionable accounts. First, log into your Circleboom Twitter account. Then, from the left-hand menu, click on Advanced X Search and choose Followers/Following Search from the dropdown. After that, click on Display Followings if you want to copy a user's following list. Then type the Twitter username into the search bar and run the search. Next, you'll see the full following list appear in a structured table with profile details. From here, you can browse accounts more efficiently than Twitter's native interface allows. Then use the built-in filters or keyword search to narrow things down by relevance, activity level, or other account signals, so you're only focusing on high-quality profiles. After that, you can start interacting directly with the results. First, if you want to follow accounts, just go to the right side of each profile row and click the Follow button next to the accounts you choose. You can also use the bulk selection option by ticking multiple checkboxes on the left side of the list, then clicking the Follow button at the top of the table to follow them in one go. Then, if you don't want to follow immediately, you can add them to a Twitter list instead. Just click the Add to List option on the same row, choose an existing list or create a new one, and confirm. This lets you monitor their posts without actually following them. After that, if you want to analyze or reuse the data outside Circleboom, click the Export button. Then select Export as CSV, and the full following list will download to your device. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy Circlebooming!